Okay, so part 17. Circles. Part 17, 10.5 exercise. This is the last question of this exercise. Question is a cyclic parallelogram. We have to prove that a cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. Rectangle means 90 degree. We have to prove that each angle is a 90 degree, then it will be a rectangle. And it is already given it is a parallelogram. Okay. So we have given that ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. That means when it is a parallelogram already given, it will follow the properties of parallelogram or cyclic properties of the cyclic parallelogram. That is, opposite angles, sum of opposite angles is equal to 180 degree. In a cyclic, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, and sum of the opposite angles are 180 degree. It is a cyclic parallelogram, so therefore the sum of opposite angles means angle A plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree. E is also equal to 180 degree. This property is from cyclic quadrilateral or cyclic. In a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angles is equal to 180 degree. But it is also a parallelogram. So in a parallelogram, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So since of a parallelogram are equal, so therefore we can say that angle A will be equal to angle C will be equal to angle D from the property of parallelogram. And you can say this is third equation. So now we can see that from first and third, if sum of the two angles is 180 degree and each angle is equal, so therefore we can say that from each angle will be 90 degree from first and third, from first, second and third. Combining first, second and third, we get angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree, and angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Got it? Any doubt? So we got each angle 90 degree. Angle A is 90 degree, angle C is 90 degree, angle B is 90 degree, angle D is 90 degree, which shows that, which implies that, which shows that A, B, C, D is a rectangle. That means every cyclic parallelogram, if it is a parallelogram, if you try to draw the parallelogram cyclic, it will be a rectangle. Always it will be a rectangle. So this is proved.